Hi, my name is Jennifer La Regina, and I'm a Regional Nurse Coordinator with the ALS Association Greater Philadelphia Chapter. And I'm here today with Scott talking a little bit about caregivers. ALS is definitely not a singular disease, meaning that it affects more than the person who is diagnosed with ALS, but their loved ones and caregivers as well. The phrase "it takes a village" is truly pertinent to ALS. And Scott and his whole family are a perfect example of how many team members need to come together to make it through each day when living with ALS. I've been a nurse for 22 years, but I can honestly say that I learn from the caregivers each and every time I work with them. I learn about frustration and failure and perseverance. I learn about patience and understanding and kindness and forgiveness. I learn about inner strength and heartache, and I've learned to not take any moment for granted. But I think most of all, they've taught me about love. A love that is limitless, unconditional, and never-ending. A love that knows no boundaries. A love that allows you to do things that you never imagined possible, to face adversity head-on, and to tackle challenges every morning and every day, knowing that you are doing the best you can to keep your loved one safe and give them the best quality of day possible. These are just some of the things, some of the many, many things I've learned from each and every caregiver. And so I'd ask you to consider contributing to the Caregivers Appreciation Fund. Not only would your donation help honor, support, and thank all of these very special caregivers, but it will also help provide services for patients and families like Scott and his family who are living with ALS every day. Thank you so much for your time.